Guys, are you ready to make a muffin that fills your whole house with the coziest smell the moment it comes out of the oven? A muffin so soft and dreamy that even if you're not a dessert person, you still can't resist it. Today we're making a carrot walnut masterpiece that's 100% going to become your go-to recipe. Let's jump in. All right, friends, let's get started. Crack 3 eggs into a mixing bowl, add half a teaspoon vanilla and 105 grams of sugar. Grab your mixer and start whipping until the mixture becomes light, creamy, and ribbony. Don't forget to scrape down the sides. It really makes a difference in how smooth your batter turns out. Next up, 75 grams of vegetable oil. Pour it in and mix for just about 15 seconds. Now comes the star of the show, 1 small grated carrot. Add it straight in and give it another quick 15-second mix. The moment the carrot hits that sweet vanilla mixture, the smell already starts getting good. Time for the dry ingredients. Sift together 130 grams flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, and 1 teaspoon cinnamon. Add the dry mix to the batter in 2 batches, gently whisking so the batter stays fluffy. Don't rush this part. This is exactly where that soft, dreamy muffin texture comes from. Now, toss in 15 grams of chopped walnuts and fold them in. Question of the day for the comments. If we're making another muffin recipe next time, which one are you picking? Banana walnut, double chocolate, or maybe you have a genius idea of your own? Drop it in the comments so I can choose the next recipe based on what you want. To make filling the muffin cups easier, I poured the batter into a small pitcher, but you can totally use a piping bag or even just a spoon, whatever works. Fill each muffin cup halfway, then sprinkle a little extra chopped walnut on top for that pretty, crunchy finish. Now, into the oven they go. Bake in a preheated oven at 170 degrees Celsius, 338 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. And oh my gosh, that 30 minutes feels like an eternity because your house is going to smell insanely good. Cinnamon, carrot, vanilla, walnut, the whole cozy combo. But trust me, it's worth the wait. Take them out and look at that. The texture, the softness, the color. Absolutely gorgeous. These muffins are seriously irresistible, especially warm with a cup of tea or coffee. Pure happiness in a bite. If you enjoyed today's recipe, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss all the delicious recipes coming up.